Welcome to the AI series. Today we explore, what is artificial intelligence? To understand AI, compare it to traditional programming. Usually, we give the computer strict rules. If this happens, then do that. But AI is different. Instead of rules, we give it a brain and feed it data. It learns patterns on its own. It's all about finding patterns. By looking at thousands of examples, it learns to connect the dots. You see this everywhere. From phone face recognition and search results, to self-driving cars and digital art. But how does it get so smart? It learns from its mistakes. Stay tuned for part 2. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.